as the scripture says. And do not forget to do good and to share with others, for which sacrifice God is pleased. Dako kitang napaubangoy na ay daw for 3 days. Marami na pasalamat, marami na tuwa sa ating ginawa. So, that is all for His glory.
So, the 3-day health caravan starts the partnership between the provincial government of Catanduanes with the Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. So overall, 233 clients were being served. Palakpakan po natin.
We are very lucky and felt important that the health caravan was realized and was planned in Pabita for the health and welfare of our constituents.
Sa lahat po ng mga bigay ng panahon para matulungan ang aming mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa pagtulong niyo sa amin.
Umasa po kamo na ipapadagos niya to ang pagtaon ni suporta sa anumang programa ng Department of Health. Sa luwat, papalosa sa inyong suporta asin sakripisyo sa aktibidad na ini.
Under my administration, the improvement of our health sector is one of my top priorities, as well as providing innovative solutions to help more Catanduanes. Every contribution counts, no matter how small they are. They can be instrumental in turning one's life around. I hope that together we can promote and achieve our shared agenda of providing a better healthcare system in Catanduanes. Diyos mabalos, maray na hapon sa Interlubos. Yan po ang mensahe ng sa tuyang Gobernador Joseph Buboy Cua.
Noong una kasi, starting kami sa family planning service lang, and it was composed of 5 members lang. So hanggang sa nag-expand na yung service na yon, so as much as possible nga sana gusto namin ibigay yung lahat-lahat ng service ng hospital sa inyong province. So we are looking forward po for a good partnership in behalf po ng aming chief, the Dr. Eric Raymond Raborar, and our overall health coordinator head, si Dr. Raul Emmanuel Santua. So, in behalf ng team, ang may bigay po namin ng is Diyos mabalos din po.
So with that, we always thank the Lord for this opportunity, and we thank God for the committed health workers who came to Catanduanes all the way from Albay for this great service. Thank you, and may God will continue to bless you with a good heart.